Okay, now we need to figure out what to do next here. We are trying to write the JSON object into the file, but now we need to figure out how to write a string into the JSON object. And actually, we can't just write a string. We first have to write a. Okay, first thing we gotta do is write the string. Is write the open curly brace into the file. So write string is one thing, but it won't actually do right. So now we have to figure out to write a character string, which is, did we do this already? Wait, double quote, read. There's so much stuff here. Let me just clean this up before we start. Okay, this is the cleaner version. There's lots of things we need to clean up after this. Okay, read single quote, write string. Go to definition. Okay, so now we need to write a character string. Okay, so how do you write a character string? It's basically the same as write string, but with some slight differences. Actually, one slight difference. Write string, write character string. Write char string. Okay, unsigned long. Is it? It's char buffer or const char buffer? No, it's char. Char buffer. That's the C string. Is a string literal that we have to put in. It's slightly different than writing a character string, but it's basically otherwise the same thing. Okay, buffer. Buffer unsigned long. Buffer size. All right. If buffer. If no, there's no if. Okay, for I equals 0, I equal buffer size, I think. What do we do? There's none of that here. Write character, buffer, dot I, no. Type char. We're converting from a byte into an unsigned byte into a long, so it shouldn't cause any problems. So actually, I think that's it. Write character, so everything else he really doesn't care, so none of that's going to matter. Yeah, so that's it. Just clean it up. Okay, read string, write string, write character string. That's just an extension of it. If buffer not equals 0, buffer size doesn't matter. Okay, save everything, and we're good. Write character string. Okay, what character string are we going to write? Okay, we did this before somewhere. I think it's source. I have no idea. Oh, there it is. SWS.f. Is it SWS.f? I need to make sure that this is the right one. Okay, I think it's the SWS.f. Okay, so let's just copy this right here and see if we can get it to work. Hopefully, it won't be able to do any multitasking because otherwise this won't work right. But I don't. If this is not multitasking safe, it is not thread safe at all. Using a static char to write this and it just doesn't work. But we don't care. Length. Static. Long. Length. Okay. This is really bad, but hopefully we won't be needing anything special here. Okay. Now we need to know what we're writing. Oh, it's not SWS.f, it's just S.f. Oh, because here we need long values, but here we need character values. Oh, so you have the basic one. Okay, so it's slightly different. Okay, S.f doesn't need the length. Okay, S.F is better than W.S.F. So now we need to write yeah, the curly brace. That's for the object. Okay, curly brace. And that's it. Length equals curly brace. And we're done. And buffer length. The write string length. Okay, so we write the curly brace and you write the string and we're done. And from here we write, oh, this is gonna be tougher than I thought here. Actually, we write the token itself because inside the object is other objects, key value pairs and whatever else. Okay, JSON white token, file text, target, parent, target. Actually, it's working. Parent working. Write the value of working into it. Okay, there's something else we have to do because we have to indent everything. We need to make sure that everything looks the way it does here. Everything in the file looks the way it does, so we need an indentation. So where do I put the indentation? Whatever. Let's put it here. Indent. Okay, so how do we do indentation? I have to have a look at the documentation. Okay, I think I got it here. SWS.F buffer length equals. How do we indent? Okay, we need to write an indentation. Indentation is percentage sign asterisk. Well, no, wrong. Asterisk and S, as in string. We need to write a string. Okay, so next we need the value of the string. Indentation. Indent. Okay, this is how much we are indenting by. Indent. And then plus how much we are indenting by. I think it's 2. Let's just set a value here. Const auto JSON indentation. So this is just to get it to look right. Let's set it to 2. 2 should do. Okay, wrong. How much should we indent by? And this, and then we have to add a string, otherwise it's going to complain. Okay, so now we have the string at the proper location, and then we write character string buffer length. Okay. Okay, so now that's good. I hope I didn't mess anything up. And then we write the token, and then we loop it, and we continue looping. But there's one more thing. Okay, between everything there's a comma. So now we need to write the comma. Wow, that's gonna be tough. Okay, so we have to write the comma after everything, but it's not after every single thing. It's only after the one time everyone except the last one. The last one doesn't get a comma, so you have to check if it's the last one. If working dot token next, I think, yeah, token next, then we write, okay, we write a comma. Okay, we had a comma and then comma then new line. Okay, so we need a new line, otherwise it won't look right. I'm gonna have to experiment here a lot. Okay, else then we write new line. Else is new line, but without the comma. Okay, just new line without the comma. Okay, so that should do. That should do. Else you just write new line without the comma, and we have token next. But it's not over, because we have the opening curly brace. Now we need the closing curly brace. Okay. There's a lot of experimentation has to be done here. Okay, so yeah, now you have to close in curly brace. That should be it for object. I hope. We have to write it down to make sure that it works. Okay, so it just writes all the key value pairs, and or that's a comma after it, and then it was the ending curly brace, and that should be it. The rest is just cosmetic. Okay, that's for object. Now for array. Array is basically the same thing. Array. It's basically the same thing, except instead of curly brace, it's just brace, square braces. Hopefully, it should be exactly the same thing. No difference. There's probably a few things I'm missing here, but oh, we have to return. Not return, just break. Because even when we're done with this, there's still some other things we have to do. Okay, break. Everything just has to be cosmetic, but hopefully that's all we have to do. Okay, now after array, we have to do. Yeah, I think there's other ones. Which one? Which one's the other one? String. It should be the easiest one. I hope it's the easiest one. Okay, this is just really confusing. Why does it indent that way instead of the other way? It just doesn't make sense. Anyway, okay, how do we do strings? Okay, a string, first of all, needs a quote. But we can't just write quote, so oh yeah, it's backward slash. That's an escape character, backward slash, and then it writes the quote. Okay, so we have to write the opening quotation, and then we have to write the string. Okay, so how do we write the string? First, we have to get the string, and then, okay, how do we get the string? Oh, this is gonna be tough. Let me think about this. Okay, get string should be copy the string into a buffer. Okay, let me go back here. Create object, write get object, get set token string. Oh, so it's the same as here, but instead of get the string, we need set string. You have to get string, get token string, get token string, not into a string object, but into a buffer. I really have to think about this here. Okay, get token string. Okay, char buffer. It should be the same as what we did before, the other one. Buffer unsigned long. Buffer size. Okay. Oh wait, we're not doing any checks here. Oh, we have to do checks. Oh, we have to do checks. We can't skip this. Otherwise, things could really break. Because we are going to make mistakes here. There's no way you can avoid every kind of mistake. Buffer. Okay. Buffer size, get number. If parent equals 0, set number. We are going to make mistakes. It's guaranteed. Okay, get token string. Get token address, parent string. Okay, now what do we do? Now we have the parent string is, we have to figure out what comes next. I mean, we could write the string directly in the, I'm trying to think how do we do this here. Type string, get character. Okay, what are we trying to write? Not really sure what we're trying to write here. We copy into the buffer. We are copying into the buffer and then write it into the file. Could we just write it into the file directly? Complicated. I think it's easier just to write into the file directly because I was thinking of doing something completely different here. Ah, that just doesn't make sense. I was thinking of something completely different, like write it into the buffer and then that just doesn't make sense. Okay, forget buffer. Okay, write token string. I was thinking of something completely different. Write token string parent if there's no buffer. I'll copy this. Oh wait, target. Oh, uh, now I'm confusing the names again. Oh, I'm confusing the names here. But we have to do it here in this way, otherwise things get really complicated. Okay, parent string, get data address parent string, and once we have the string, we call type file text white string target. Oh, that confuses everything. Type string parent string. Okay, type file text white string target parent string, return that. Okay, it sounds more complicated than it really is. Okay, first we get the token address of the parent string, and then good. But we're not checking the type at all, so there's still a chance it would fail completely. But we're assuming that the type has been checked ahead of time, so there's a lot of assumptions here. This is really bad, but doing the checks every single time would be too complicated, so I'm just not gonna do it. Okay, write token string. It write the string into the file. Okay, that should do it. Let's copy it here. Okay, type string, write token string. Json write token string, parent. Parent is the what is parent? Let's not get this wrong here. Type file JSON white token. Oh, parent. Okay, working. Let's not get this wrong. Working. It's not working. It's target. I think it's target. Yeah, it's target. White token string target and parent. First write it, and then oh wait, white short string. First we have to write the entire string first. First we write the string, and then we write no, first we write the quotation, then we write the string, and then we write the quotation again. Oh, that's long and involved. Okay, type JSON string. Okay, this is involved, like a lot. Oh, because I don't have a separate notion of string versus parent, of string versus anything else. Whatever. Let's just do this. Okay, string colon and space. So everything I'm doing is just cosmetic. Otherwise, it's just really complicated. I need to get everything to look the right way. But I won't find out if it works until I run the code. So let's just ignore everything else here. Okay, let's just. Okay, now that we have the string, we interpret every child node as a value. So it's possible to have multiple values, but hopefully that will never happen, or at least it shouldn't happen. Okay. Okay, token next. Okay, type file JSON write token. Hopefully it should work. And then, oh wait, indentation. Okay. Okay, should there be an indentation? Type file JSON write token, but there should not be any indentation. I won't find out if this works until I do this here. This is gonna be tough, really. Indentation 0, because it's on the same line, so we don't care. It's gonna be on the same line, so that's not important. So indentation should be 0. Everything is cosmetic. Oh shoot. Length. Okay, so let's look at this. Quotation, colon, followed by something else, and return. Break. Okay, if it doesn't work, we'll just try something else. Okay, now for number. Okay, length. Oh, there's not anything else. Okay, JSON write number. Okay, do I have? Oh wait. Let us get number. Okay, writing the number directly will be too complicated, so I'm not going to do it. Write string. Get number. Set number. Get number. Get number. Okay. Double pointer. Result. Okay. Just copy everything here. There's no target. It's target. Type token target. Type file target. Okay. What am I doing? Okay. Copy this. Get token parent number. Result. Result equals parent number. Not result equal and parent number. I think that's it. Okay. That should do it. Not result. Parent number, get number, parent number. Yep, that's it. We just get the value and then we copy it. Okay, so there's nothing here to add. JSON get number. If type JSON get number. Target. Well, is it target or working? Oh, it's target. I keep confusing myself. Working and number. What's number? Oh, we have to set it. Okay, double number. Okay, read the number. Okay, if JSON read number, now we have to write the number into the text. Oi, this is complicated here. Okay, s.f. Okay, s.f buffer. Okay, how do we write a number? Percentage. I think I did this before. Yeah, it's there. No. Oh, there it is right here. 4.12f. Okay. That's 12 digits of precision. 4.12f and number. However, it may be a number, but it also will be a decimal number. So you have to check. If it's a decimal number, how do we check if it's a decimal number? if number equals round. Let's run the number down, number. Okay, if number equal y number, then it's a decimal number, so we don't need to 12-digit precision. So we write that as a long unsigned LU as a long unsigned value. Okay, so we can't just write a number sum value, so we have to convert it. How do we convert it into unsigned long? We need a decimal value. Val. Just call it val. It doesn't matter. Okay, equal unsigned long number. All right. Length equal val. No, not val. Just value. Because value may be something else. I don't want to get them confused. Length equals that. Else, we write it as a floating point. As long unsigned or floating point length. Else length equals that. If number equal round number, so then that's it. And break. Break. Not this. Is that right? Oh, okay. Just look wrong. Okay, now for number. Now we need Boolean types. Okay, let's just go case type Json Boolean false. Okay, how do we write a Boolean false? Okay, this is gonna be painful. Okay. Oh, that's just here. It's just false. Length equals false. False and right, and we got break. The rest should take care of itself. Okay, now for true. Get true first. True. True should take care of itself. And then null. Oh, it's not Boolean null, it's just null. Null. Okay, I think that's it. Break, and we turn 1. Okay. Unless I missed something important, that should be it. Let me just test it, make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, now that we have the JSON file done, we need to encapsulate everything into something that actually works. Okay, so the token and the root. Now I'm wondering if I need to create an actual JSON token, something that read key doesn't really do anything for me. Do I need to create an actual JSON file JSON object, or do I just read it into a token? I think it's better if I just create a function for doing this. Type file JSON read file. Because otherwise it's just going to be way too complicated. Type file text parent, type file text target. If I have to do everything else, it's just going to make for a mess. Okay, so I'm just going to copy everything here to make sure that that's the way it's supposed to be. Open existing. Oh wait, no. Do I need a file name? No. Type token parent. Char file name. That's the best way to do this. Type token parent, not parent. Okay, parent init parent dot token type. Wait, parent dot token type equal type JSON object. If I open existing, we need a source file. That file text source file. I need to source this in the easiest way possible. Okay, source file, file name. No. Okay. Okay. File name. So it has opened it. So read object. Hopefully it should be that simple. Okay, return. Let's just do if statements, a lot of if statements, because this might not work. If file open existing, that file JSON read object, return. That file JSON read object, parent. Oh wait, no, no. We need to close the object. Oh, we need to close the file. Ooh. Read object. The object has been initialized already, so it doesn't matter if it fails. Type file close. Type file text close. Okay, go to definition. Just make sure wait a minute. Oh, we have a problem here. Oh, there's so many little details I keep forgetting about. Type string destroy. We have to destroy the string. Oh, let's not forget that. If we forget that, it will create memory leaks and that would just be bad. Current string. Current string, current source, current string. Oh, let's set everything to 0. Just to be clear. Let's move current string up. Okay, current string. Whoa. Current string destroy, current character. Find the current character equals 0. Parent dot current number equals 0. Alright, that's better. Okay, there's lots of little things that we have to do. File text closed. Close and source file. Okay, that should do it. Return 1. Okay, return 1, return 0. Okay, so now we read it. Now write file. Okay, I move this up. Okay, move this up here, just to be clear. Okay, type JSON write file. If file open new. Okay, we don't need to initialize. If file open new. Oh wait. We have to make sure that parent does not equal 0. Parent. Okay, there's a lot of things that parent equals 0, but open new, file name, JSON write object. Okay, that should be it. Type file JSON write object, not result file. Yeah, just change the name, result file. Open new result file. Close result file. And parent. Ah, come on. Okay, parent, result file, write object, close file. Oh, okay, write to file. Okay, so that's basically it. Read JSON file, write JSON file. But now, one last little thing before you go. Okay, we need to destroy the JSON object. This should be the easiest one, but okay, by the way, all of this thing here is just cosmetic stuff, because most of it is just for appearances, but all this thing is not really necessary for the thing, but I just put it in just to make everything look right. So it's a lot of complicated code, but it really doesn't do much. Okay, type, oh wait, what's it called again? I need to get the names right. Okay, type file JSON destroy token, destroy object. Okay, so now it's becoming apparent why the token needs to be destroyed. Okay. Okay, now I just copied everything here. Working. I just do it by hand. Okay, type token. Working. No point copy. No point doing by hand. Working code parent. Dot token the first child. No, not white object. While working. Switch parent dot token type. Whoa! Oh no! Ah! This is what I need to do. Everything here. Okay, switch parent dot token type. Depending on what kind of token we are destroying, if it's an object, then we have to do all of this here. Case. Okay, working. We have to go to every parent, every object, and type file object destroy, and then call destroy. But we can't just call destroy, because if we destroy it, then we want to have a pointer to it. Okay, working. If we destroy it, we need to destroy working, but we can't because we need the pointer. So we need a second one right here. Next. Next is the pointer that we need to deal with. Next equals, wait a minute, type token. Oh, whatever. That's something else. It doesn't matter. Okay. Next equal to token object. Actually, it should be up here. Okay. Okay. First, we call the destroy token on working to destroy all the children, and then we free the memory because it was allocated. So we free the memory, free working, and then we set working equals next. Ah, okay, so now it's working. Working equal next, break. Ah, break. No. Okay, so we do the same for all the others. Okay, case. I'm just gonna do it offline because it's just gonna take too long. It's just a lot of cosmetic stuff. Okay, now it's done. Okay, so it's just for object in array, we just destroy all the children and then free the memory. For a string, we just call destroy string and then break. And for everything else, we just do nothing because there's nothing to be done. We just free the memory. Actually, object frees the memory, so we don't need to do anything. And also, it's not really necessary, but I like to do it anyway. Memset parent and 0 size of type token. Not type, token. And that's it. Now we have destroyed the object in every form. And also, forgot to what I just did here. We need to destroy the string. So, oh wait, question create object JSON write token destroy token string. It's the same as destroy string, except we call type string destroy at the end of it. And that's about it. So I'm just gonna clean everything up, and that's basically done for a JSON file. But it's not done for neural network because we need to be able to use this to save a neural network. So even though we're done with JSON, there's still a lot more work to do.